Will it get me far?
Madonna.
Should I lose some weight? Am I gonna be a star? I tried to be a boy, I tried to be a girl, I tried to be a mess, I tried to be the best. I guess I did it wrong. That's why I wrote this song. This type of modern life, is it for me? This type of modern life, is it for free? So I went into a bar, looking for sympathy, a little company. I tried to find a friend. It's more easily said, it's always been the same. This type of modern life is not for me. This type of modern life is not for free. American life, American life, the American dream, American dream, best thing I've seen. You are not just a dream, American life. I tried to stay ahead, I tried to stay on top.
Madonna, rainha do pop.
But somehow I forgot just what I did it for and why I wanted more. This type of modern life, is it for me? This type of modern life, is it for free? I have to change my name. Will it get me far? Should I lose some weight? Am I gonna be a star? American life, American life, the American dream, American life, best thing I've seen. You are not just a dream, American life, American life. Tried to be a boy, tried to be a girl, tried to be a mess, tried to be the best, tried to find a friend, tried to stay ahead, tried to stay on top. I'm drinking a latte, I get a double shot it goes through my body and you know I'm satisfied. I drive my mini Cooper and I'm feeling super duper you. They tell me I'm a trooper and you know I'm satisfied. I do yoga and Pilates and the room is full of hotties, so I'm checking out the bodies and you know I'm satisfied. I'm digging on the oxydope to spread the physics, shit is dope, and if all this can give me hope, you know I'm satisfied. I got a lawyer and a manager, an agent and a chef, 3 nannies, an assistant and a driver and a jet, a trainer and a butler and a bodyguard of 5, a gardener and a stylist. Do you think I'm satisfied? I'd like to express my extreme point of view. I'm not a Christian and I'm not a Jew. I'm just living out the American dream, and I just realized that nothing is what it seems.
Bye.